You probably know what is class with respect to CSS or style sheet, but class are used also for non-style reasons. It is mainly used for code reuse, and it is used heavily in React. So let's write a class, but first we need to use Babel. This is the definition of a class. This is the class name, and this is the keywords that we are defining the class using it. We can also define a function called constructor. And using this class, rectangle has two properties, width and height. So we will supply width and height. And now we define two properties, height and width, properties of the rectangle, property of this class. This is an object which points to the current object, and this dot height set the value of height into the property or data member called height, and this dot width equal width set the width value into a property or a data member called width, which belong to this class. So this is the definition of the class. Now we can use it. We can define an object type rect, and we can assign it width. Suppose width is 10 and height is 20. And now we can access the width of this rect by using dot rect dot width access the value of width, and we can define another called rect2, and here we can define the width to be 100 and the height to be 200, and suppose let's change it to rect2. And now this is the width of rect and this is the height of rect2. So using class we have defined an entity or a template of an entity, and using the class we can create objects.